Question 11. 60 students took part in a maths challenge. All of the students received a certificate. A third of the students were in Year 8 and the rest were in Year 9. 5 students received a gold certificate and one of them was in Year 8. 26 students received a silver certificate and 15 of them were in Year 9. Complete the two-way table. Wow, we've got a lot of information here. So we have to break each sentence down and then fill this table as we go along. So let's do this. So step 1, read each sentence and then fill the table. So read each sentence, then we need to work out each thing, And then step 3 is we fill the table, fill table. So that's what we will be trying to do. So 60 students took part in a maths challenge. So 60 is our total. So we can put 60 in the total. Total and total, 60. All of the students received a certificate. A third of the students were in Year 8. So a third were in Year 8. So a third in Year 8. So I've got 60 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3. I can get my calculator out and I can work this out. It's a calculator paper, so let me use my calculator. 60 divided by 3 gives me 20. You could do that in your head as well. Okay, so we've got that. So a third of the students were in Year 8. So Year 8 is 20. And the rest were in Year 9. So the rest were in Year 9. So I can do 60 take away 20 gives me 40. 60 take away 20 is 40. So this goes here for Year 9. The rest were in Year 9. So that's another sentence completed. 5 students received a gold certificate and one of them was in Year 8. So 5 students received gold certificate. One of them was in Year 8. So I'm going to look for Year 8 and I'm going to put 1 for gold. So Year 8 and 1. 5 students received a gold certificate. So under gold, I'm going to put 5. So the total is 5 here. And now you can see I've got one missing part here. I can actually fill this in. So I can do this part here will be 5. Take away 1 gives me 4. So I've got that filled in. The next sentence, 26 students received a silver certificate. So 26 received a silver certificate and 15 of them were in Year 9. So I've got 26 students received a silver certificate. So silver has 26. Silver has 26 as a total. 15 of them were in Year 9. So Year 9 has 15. Year 9 has 15. And you can spot, I can work out this box because I've got one unknown. So I've got this box will be 26 take away 15. That gives me 11. Now I've moved on to my next part. Now complete the two-way table. Now that's it. Now here, this column, I cannot work it out. I've got 1, 2, 3 unknowns. But if I look across horizontally, I've got one unknown, so I can work this out. So 1 plus 11 plus something gives me 20. The other way I can work it out is I can do 20 take away 1 take away 11. So I'm going to do that. 20 take away 1 take away 11. That gives me 20 take away 1 is 19. Let me use my calculator so I don't need to do it in my head. I've got 20 take away 1 take away 11. and that gives me 8. So that's my answer there, 8. And I can do the same working out here. 40 take away 4, take away 15. 40 take away 4, take away 15. That gives me 40 take away 4, take away 15. That gives me 21. And the last one is 60 take away 5, take away 26. That gives me 60 take away 5, take away 26. Gives me 29. Now you may decide I'm going to add these and then take it away from 60. It's the same answer. And so that is my final answer. I'll just make this bit clear. You don't need to put your working out in the boxes. I'm just doing it just so that it's easier for you to see how it's all worked out. So that is my final answer.